Mr. Satpathy, why don't you just answer this question? Why is Pradeep Maharathi, who protected and shielded these 4 rapists who first raped Babina's best friend, then raped Babina, why is he roaming free? Why has your government taken no action against him?
We want answer, Mr. Satpathy. We don't want excuses.
Okay, if you want the answer, will you give me 30 seconds? First of all, did I write the IPC and the CRPC? The answer is no. Secondly, if the minister or the former minister is not a direct accused, if he is not a rapist, which section of the CRPC or the IPC says that he can be arrested? I do not know.
Can I tell you, Mr. Satpathy, the section?
And
he is an accomplice. When you protect a criminal, when you protect a criminal, you are part of that crime. You are equally a criminal because you are an accomplice. You are an accomplice under the law of the nation.
I completely agree.
Tathagat Satpathy, your understanding of the law is very weak. Let me quote to you what happened in 1997.
I agree.
Former cabinet minister, hear me out. No, one second. You said what action can be taken. I can tell you, Mr. Satpathy. Let me cite you past legal precedent. 1 second. You must hear me out. Hear me out. 1997, former Central Minister Kalpanath Rai was sentenced to 10 years in prison for sheltering criminals in a government guest house. This is a case that is known across the country. The brother of this victim is saying that is exactly what your minister Pradeep Maharathi did, yet no action has been taken against him. There is a very famous Kalpanath Rai judgment which is a past precedent. Answer that question, Mr. Satpathy.
No, I am answering your question. The first one, I don't know about Kalpanath Rai's case. I am sorry, my history is also bad, as also my knowledge about law. But I am telling you something, that the Chief Minister, the moment the matter came to light...
No, now you are changing the goalpost, Mr. Satpathy, and I shall not allow that. You just asked us under what section can action be taken accomplice to rape.
Yes.
That's one section. I've cited to you a past precedent where there is a court judgment, 10-year sentence against a former minister for sheltering criminals in a government guest house. There is a past precedent. If there is intent, action can be taken. I'm questioning your government's intent, sir. I'm questioning your government's intent, sir.
No, it may be taken once the matter comes properly exposed and the situation is known, the legal situation comes out.
Well, the fact is your government is not making efforts to know the situation for a month and a half, even though FIR was not lodged. We've got Chatpati Rai, the suspended inspector, who's on camera, on headlines today's cameras, Mr. Satpathy, saying that there was pressure from above not to lodge an FIR. India demands to know who put this pressure. Who put this pressure? Why has no action been taken against him?
Listen, a duty is a duty. Nobody can pressurize you not to do your duty. If you are a defaulter, you should be punished. And probably...
Why do you not give straight answers? Ranjana Kumari wants to come in, not giving us a single straight answer.
Mr. Satpathy,
everybody else is to blame but your administration.
Let me explain to you the situation. FIR was not lodged. Then after that, this witness was not given protection. As a result, she was also raped and she is in coma. It's shameless that you are trying to protect a criminal who's been a minister. It's bad enough that he's minister and part of your government. You should put him behind the bar and you should and then you put a judicial inquiry. That means one person will inquire and he is at large. The man can influence the inquiry very easily. That is why your government is refusing to have a CBI inquiry. You know, after the State Commission for Women had to go there, after the National Commission for Women had to put pressure for you to take action. I mean, one girl died, raped and killed, other girl is in coma and you are so casually talking about the whole situation. This is really shameless, I can tell you that. And also you cannot at no cost let this minister, just be at large.